Hey guys, so this is the colorful text animation generator modifier which has been set up using the geometry nodes. You can generate very colorful quick text animation with this modifier. So you can change the text, you can change the size, you can change the spacing between the characters, you can change the word spacing, and you can change the position of the text like this. And you can like control the radius of the cylinders in the background, and you can like obviously change the x, y and z position of this. You can change this to, let us say I'm gonna write this simple text here, hello world, like this. I'm gonna decrease the size, I'm gonna bring it at the center, let us take it up a bit, and like I'm gonna change this text position to like say a more backward, or let us say bring this more backward. Apply this modifier to a new object as well. So I can bring in a cube here, select this cube, apply the geometry nodes modifier and select colorful text simply, and then I can write how are you like this. And then I can decrease this size. Again I can bring the x position like this, decrease a cylinder radius like this, and I'm going to like bring this a more forward, and then I can like simply hit the play button. And yeah, so you can generate very quick colorful text animation in no time. You can write whatever you want, you can bring in a new object, and you can like place them at different place, and then you can like place them at different position on the viewport, and then you can like experiment with the camera angles and just hit the play button and render this quick text effect, which can be useful to your streaming channels, YouTube text. Hope you will find it useful guys. Thank you.